Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a very interesting device that was sent out to me to review. This is an MP4 player, but it boasts to have a ton of other features. Now, I haven't used an MP4 player in some years now, so it's probably going to take a lot to really convince me to want to use a device like this or even to gift this to someone else. So let's take a look at what comes in the box and see exactly what we get with this new MP4 player. Let's take a look. All right, guys. So inside of the box, we find a protective cover. That's a good start. And here are the items that you're going to find inside of your box. So starting off, we receive a USB-C to USB-A cable. We receive a set of headphones with a 3.5 connector, which is interesting, and it does have all the little different size little ear buds with it as well. We receive what looks to be like a little silicone case for it. Okay, that's interesting. And what else do we get here? We also get a screen protector. So we get a screen protector and the starter manual. All right, so let's take a look at the actual device itself. All right, guys, so here is the device. As you guys can see, it feels to be metal. The framing is metal. I think the back is plastic and the front is also plastic, but that's not a detractor. So here on the back, you guys can see we have our power button, we have our volume button. Everything else is going to be touch. On the back here, you also have indicators for your headphones, for your SD card, and for your USB-C for charging it right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and power this guy on. Interesting. So we have a very interesting black and white screen that comes up first. Now, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a color device, but I think it's really unique that they decided to go with this black design here in the beginning. And then you get a little bit of animation, which is kind of cool. Very retro. Here's the first screen, and it says to unlock. We're just going to swipe up, and there we have it. You get a number of icons that show up first on the screen. You have your calendar, Chrome, a clock, you have your settings, video, and also music player here. So let's click on music player. Now, of course, we don't have any music installed on this, but this will kind of give us an idea of what the music player is like. It says allow music player to access music and audio on this device. So we're going to click allow. And of course, if you had music set up here, or you could scan for music or whatever, you had your little playlist, you can go through those. You have folders that you can set up, albums, as well as genre, artists. So that's pretty much it. And over here, we have widgets, you know, different things like that, skin themes. Let's take a look at that. So we can change the theme. So let's go with, purple. All right, so that's going to give us a very bright, colorful look. So let's go ahead and hit apply. All right, so there we go. Good start there. Clean UI. All right, so next we have a video player here. And of course, this is, you know, taking into consideration that you actually have videos on the device that you want to be able to play. So you have that, and you can swipe up and over between the different screens, which is really nice. Let's see how we close those. Just swipe away. All right. You have your settings here as well. So you can go through and set up your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, your default apps, your notifications. It'll give you your battery indicator as well, whatever your battery status is on this device. You have sounds, do not disturb, display, wallpaper. Let's take a look at wallpaper. So it has a few wallpapers that you can select from, and you can, you know, of course, add your own as you want to. Let's just go with something like that. That's a little bizarre, but let's go with that one. Okay. And we're going to make that home screen, lock screen. We're going to do both. All right, so now when we swipe away, we have that new wallpaper on there. That's pretty cool. All right, if you swipe again over, you have YouTube, you have Spotify, TikTok. Here's your Apple Music, Amazon Music, Pandora. Here's your Audible, Kindle. You have a lot of things here. You even have YouTube for kids, Spotify for kids, sound recorder, so you can actually record using it. You must have built-in microphones, or you're utilizing possibly the microphones that are built into the headset. What else do we have here? We have YouTube Music. We have our Play Store, so you can log in if you have an account. You have your files, and then you have radio, FM radio. You have your Facebook, Google, X is on here as well. That's pretty much it. But you can add other apps to this, which is really nice. So as a music player by itself, I probably would not be too impressed with this little device. But because of the fact that it offers so many other features, all of the apps that it, has access to, I think this would be an excellent device for a lot of people, especially, travelers that don't want to necessarily use their phone or want to have a secondary device. This could be, a very, beneficial device to have with you. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is the music player, the MP3 player. I guess we can just call it that. But in actuality, this is an all-in-one device. It has everything other than the ability to make phone calls. So yeah, I'm very impressed with this. This is a very interesting little device. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to show you this cool little device really quickly. And yeah. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.